Hey, good morning, guys. Today on Coffee with Chris, I want to talk to you about a new announcement that just came out. It's called Copilot Library. So, if you've ever been chatting with Copilot and asked Copilot to create an image or a PowerPoint or an Excel sheet or a document or any kind of artifact, and you're like, I didn't download it and a squirrel came by and I got distracted and now I don't know where it is. Well, starting this month in October, they're releasing Copilot Library. That is going to be the library where you can go and get anything, any artifact that Copilot has created for you. It'll be over in the side nav underneath conversations, and you can see your all conversations and your chat history. There's going to be a new link that's going to show up. It's going to be library. So you can click on that and you can see all the artifacts that Copilot has created for you. So now you don't have to go, which chat was it in? Where was it at? How can I get it back? You can actually go directly to your library and download it. So I hope that was good information for you, and I'll see you on the next time we do another Coffee with Chris. Have a good one.